When you search for electric drywall sanders, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Skill 5 Random Orbital Sander. First up is the Skill 5 Random Orbital Sander, priced at $46.93. What caught my attention is its powerful 2.8 amp motor and the promise of smooth performance for various sanding tasks. If you want a reliable tool that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variable speed control means you can adjust the power depending on the material, whether it's drywall or wood. Plus, the X-Flow dust collector uses cyclone force to gather dust, which is a game changer for keeping your workspace clean. And with over 4,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people are turning to this for their projects. Now, some people have mentioned that it struggles with heavier-duty jobs. Here's the thing though, that might not be an issue if you're using it for standard DIY projects or smaller renovations. It's a solid choice for home users who don't need industrial strength. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for something budget-friendly yet effective. Skip this one if you're planning on taking on large-scale professional projects. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if the skill's power isn't enough for you, the next one on my list amps things up a bit. Product number 2, HYCHIKA 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Next on the list is the HYCHIKA 5-inch Random Orbital Sander, priced at just $32.09. What caught my eye is that it offers 6 variable speeds and comes with 12 sanding discs right out of the box. If you want flexibility and value, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 13,000 RPM motor allows for powerful sanding, giving you the option to switch from heavy material removal to fine finishing with ease. The included 12 professional-grade sandpapers mean you have everything you need to tackle various projects without additional costs. Plus, its dust collection system captures about 80% of dust, which can really help keep your workspace clean and your lungs healthy. However, some users mention that it could be a bit noisy during operation. But I'll be real with you, if you're sanding, it's likely the least of your worries and the performance it offers outweighs this concern. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable sander without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you prefer a more industrial-grade machine or need something quieter for residential areas. For the features and price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling tougher jobs. Product number 3, VEVOR Drywall Sander. The next contender is the VEVOR Drywall Sander, priced at $82.43. It really caught my eye with its 800W motor and the promise of an automatic vacuum dust collection system. If you need something more powerful for bigger projects, this might be just what you're looking for. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stepless speed adjustment from 1200 to 2300 RPM lets you sand at the right pace for different surfaces, from drywall to tougher wood. Its automatic vacuum system claims to absorb over 90% of the dust, which is a huge help in keeping your workspace clean. Also, the double LED lights ensure you can see what you're working on, even in dim conditions. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clearly getting a lot of attention. Now, some reviewers pointed out that the tool can be a bit heavy after extended use. But honestly, if you're doing significant sanding work, a bit of weight is manageable and ultimately gives you better control. This is perfect for you if you have extensive sanding projects and want a tool that can handle it all. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight or only doing small repairs. It packs a lot of value for its price. If that weight concern is a deal breaker for you, the next product has a different approach to comfort. Product number 4, MYTOL Drywall Sander. Next, we have the MYTOL Drywall Sander, which is priced at $139.51. What really stands out is the 7.2 amp copper motor and the unique LED light design. If you want an all-in-one solution for various sanding needs, this one is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a variable speed range of 900 to 1800 RPM, you can easily adjust for different types of surfaces, whether it's drywall or ceilings. The integrated auto dust vacuum system means less mess after sanding, which is just fantastic. And those LED lights, they ensure you can see your work clearly even in darker areas. With over 100 units sold, people are clearly impressed. However, some users felt that the suction could be better. But here's the thing, for the average DIYer, it should still get the job done without too much hassle, and you can always use an external vacuum for more power. This is perfect for you if you often tackle drywall projects and want to keep things clean and visible. Skip this one if you need ultra-strong suction for heavy-duty work. For the features, the price is reasonable. Now, if you want something even more lightweight, the next option really shines in that area. Product number 5, MAXXD Handheld Drywall Sander. Last but not least is the MAXXD Handheld Drywall Sander, priced at $95.12. What I found interesting is its dual functionality for rough and fine sanding. If you want versatility in one tool, this may be the best choice for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Plus, the upgraded sanding pad is designed to prevent wall damage, which is a huge bonus if you're working on delicate surfaces. The built-in LED light provides excellent visibility, and with 100 units sold, it's becoming popular among DIY enthusiasts. Some users have mentioned that the dust collection isn't perfect, which can be a bit frustrating. However, I think it's still manageable, especially if you're doing smaller jobs where maximum dust control isn't critical. This is perfect for you if you value a lightweight sander that can adapt to both rough and fine tasks. Skip this one if you're focused on heavy-duty sanding jobs. For its price and flexibility, it's a solid pick. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the skill for a budget-friendly option, the HYCHIKA for versatility, the VEVOR for power, the MYTOL for a comprehensive solution, and the MAXXD for lightweight flexibility. Each one has its strengths and might just be what you need. Choose based on your specific projects and preferences.